Welcome back. Now, the second season of the VW Polo Cup began a couple of weeks ago. And in addition to the regular race car drivers, there were a couple of non-racing participants at the starting grid, including Times Drive's Abhishek Singh. Here's what he sent in.
Now, you've seen us covering all kinds of motorsport across the country, but we've kind of always been spectators with long faces, cheering from the sidelines. And so we decided to cross over to the bright side of life, and I'm here at the Kari Motor Speedway in Coimbatore, driving in the Volkswagen Polo R Cup 2011. But wait, where's my suit? And now, where's my car? Ah, here it is. See, it even has my name.
And then I ran into some jealous men.
It's time to hear, gentlemen, start your engine. To the classroom. Classroom?
Before we could hit the track, there was a driver's briefing where the Volkswagen Motorsport driver coaches explained the nuances of racing and answered all our questions. Since I was a Polo Cup virgin, Ronnie took me out for a drive and made sure that I had the skills enough not to kill myself.
And as you can see, we have wet conditions. That means you need to change from the dry line, which we are driving now, to the wet line. That means especially for braking itself, you need to brake more inside than outside. Here in the chicane it's so tight that you need to go on the normal dry line. Always take care that the tires are not spinning when you accelerate, and also trying to bring the car very fast into a straight position, and you can accelerate very early to the maximum.
And then it was on. Time to get into my shiny race car, get buckled in and hit the track for the practice sessions. After the practice, we caught up with some of last year's drivers to find out if this year's cars are better than the last.
The difference between last year and this year's car is we have a water bottle in our car.
It's actually nothing different power-wise.
We have new steering.
The main advantage of that new steering wheel is that the feel that you get off the track, of the tires, what the car is doing is much more enhanced. This adds to the touch or sporty touch to the car, and this really looks very nice. I loved it when I saw it.
Next on the schedule were the qualifiers to find out the starting positions, and all eyes were on 17-year-old Vishnu Prasad, 2010's third place driver.
Last year the Polo Cup was good for me. Up until the penultimate round, I lost a good chance to go to Germany, but hopefully this year I can make up for it.
Cut straight to race day. All the drivers around me looked as if they'd met the Grim Reaper for breakfast. The pit lane was a solemn place. The green flag was waved, and then it began. Vishnu took the lead from the time the lights turned green, and despite valiant attempts from seasoned drag racer Mihir Dharkar, did not give up his lead. Behind Mihir, however, there was a mad tussle. The race polos were driving bumper to bumper, bouncing over the chicane, locking brakes and smoking tires. On the last lap, Vishnu and Mihir came out of the 10th corner in a squeal of tires and bumpers almost touching. Close behind was Saif Mir. All three had the checkered flag in their sights. The mad rush ended with Vishnu, Mihir and Saif crossing the flag in that order.
I didn't have the best of the starts, but I did manage to keep my place. Mir had a really good start, he was on my bumper. I knew he was catching me in Sector 1 and Sector 2, but I also knew I was pulling away from him in Sector 3.
I'm used to drag racing. So what I did is I positioned myself in an angle because I knew I'd get a good start. I was confident about that.
I looked in the rearview mirror more than I looked in the front.
Race 2 was a reverse grid start for the first 8 drivers, and the sole lady driver started on the pole. Mihir Dharkar, who started 7th, overtook 3 drivers right at the start and was on the 4th position before the cars had even reached the first corner.
So I positioned myself outside and I got a great start. Before C1 I took 4 cars down. So I was 3rd, and then somebody came and bumped me in C2. I lost 3 positions again, so I was back to 7th, then 6th, then 5th, then pushing, I reached 3rd.
Alisha Abdullah held on to her lead for 10 laps.
I was leading the race for like 9 laps, and I thought I can hold for a little more longer, but then I really couldn't because the guy was really fast.
Vishnu Prasad had been steadily inching closer, and then this happened. But the lady did not give up easily and chased after the two till the very end. But without any luck.
So I made sure that I let him go, and I was right behind him and I finished third.
But in the end, Vishnu bagged it. Mihir came second and Alisha third. Her only consolation was being the first woman to bag a podium in the Polo R Cup series.
As for me, I managed to finish the race without getting killed, and also, in the process, give Vishnu some serious competition.
Oh, hi champ, how was your race? How was it starting from the back of the grid?
You're here to make fun of me, aren't you?
It was then time for the podium ceremony and for the drivers to get their due. And that was just the season opener of the Volkswagen Polo R Cup 2011. There's much more to follow. We'll be there, and hence, so will you.